What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this brand new episode of Restorations with Vic. Today we're going to be restoring these lava air techs. So as you can see, they're super trashed all around. They're going to need a massive deep clean using Reshoevn8r products. We're going to remove the yellowing off the soles, repaint the midsoles, remove the creasing, touch up the uppers. The uppers have some yellowing, scuffs, scratches, mainly creasing. Pretty sure all that's going to come out. So let's get to it. Alright, so to get started, we're going to put the right shoe to the side, remove the shoelaces, and insert our adjustable Reshoevn8r shoe tree to size. We're going to be using Reshoevn8r's 3-brush advanced sneaker laundry system. 1, 2, 3. The first brush we're going to get started with is our stiff bristle brush to clean up these soles. For the uppers, we're going to be using our medium all-purpose brush to clean up the leather. Once that's all done, we'll move on to the next brush. Cool. Last brush we're going to be using is the soft bristle to clean up these tongues and these really dingy sock liners. Hopefully this cleans up because that's my only concern on the shoe. Alright guys, shoes fully pre-treated inside and out. I did the best I could with the soles, did the best I could with the sock liner. Hopefully the washing machine takes care of the rest. So now, let's put our shoe inside our sneaker laundry bag. Washing machine time. So, we're gonna wanna pop open this little Chinese washing machine, just like that.
Racist.
Put the shoe inside, make sure our settings are at cold water, small cycle since it is only one shoe, and of course, 1 full ounce of our Reshoevn8r Sneaker Laundry Detergent. You guys want to know what this stuff does? It cleans, conditions, and removes locked-in odor. I was gonna say loader. Odor. Alright guys, shoes are fresh at the washing machine. They look good, they are dried, they smell great. Uppers look good overall, the sock liners are overall back to white. So are the tongues, all those stains are out. Those stains that I mentioned before didn't come out. They're deep in there. Maybe acetone will take it out. We'll do that later. There's only so much a cleaning can do on an old shoe like this, but I'm pleased with the results. They look great. So let's keep it moving. The next step we're gonna do is remove the yellowing off these soles using Saran Wrap and Salon Care 40 and my famous indoor setup. You guys see me do this a million times, but I'll go ahead and show you guys anyway. You're gonna wanna pour a little bit of Salon Care 40 on the cap. Grab an old brush or a paintbrush or a toothbrush, it doesn't really matter. Just dip it in there and simply just apply on the damaged areas. Be careful not to get any of this stuff on the uppers because this stuff will damage it. The purpose of the Saran Wrap is so the Salon Care 40 doesn't dry out on the indoor setup or if you're doing it outside. All right, easy peasy. Salon Care 40 is applied, Saran Wrap's on. Let's go put them in my indoor setup. All right, so we're in my indoor setup. If you guys check out the 14th video from a couple weeks ago, I explain exactly what the indoor setup is. So no need to get into it today. Put the shoe inside the box. Slide it back into place, and then turn it on. We'll come back in a couple hours, and the shoes are gonna be good to go. All right, guys, shoes are fully deoxidized. Check out that sole. Back to white, no yellowing, good to go. The next thing we're gonna do is move on to the midsoles. First step we gotta do though is tape up the uppers so we can strip it. All right, so on this side, as you can see, I was matching colors. The color was super easy. As soon as I'm finished removing the paint, I'll show you guys the exact mixture that I mix to create that color. All right, midsoles are fully stripped. What we're gonna do next is remove the tape, retape the uppers this time. The reason why I retape is because usually when you acetone midsoles, the acetone tends to weaken the tape job. So if I was to leave this tape job now and just go ahead and lay down the paint, I'm 99% sure some of the paint will leak in some areas. That's why I always do the retape after I strip the midsoles. All right guys, so here's a quick update on where we're at. On this midsole, the color's laying down super smoothly. As you can see, no brush strokes. I'm about on my 7th coat, I believe. I'll probably add a good 2 more, then I'll move on to this side. Just check out the before and after. Look how yellow and crappy that looks compared to this side. Looks solid. Now let's keep moving. Moment of truth. I love this part. Solid. All right guys, air units are good to go. I went ahead and taped it back up. If I didn't tape it back up and sprayed them with the matte finish, it would have turned the clear air unit into a foggy look. It doesn't look right, so that's why it's taped up. Let's go outside and spray it with the Krylon matte finish. All right, YouTube, that is gonna bring us to an end on these AirTech Lava restoration. Honestly, I thought this restoration was gonna be a lot longer than just the cleaning and repaint. When I bought them, I thought they were gonna be scuffs and scratches under the dirt on the toe boxes. After the wash, I thought there was gonna be some separation. Honestly, none of that happened. Under all that dirt and grime, there was no scuffs or scratches. The sock liner looks a lot better. Those scuffs and, it's just dirt and grime scuffs that were all over the toe boxes cleaned up perfectly. As you can see, there was no paint needed. All around the uppers, the shoe was pretty trash. It do have an odor. All that got taken away during the washing machine process. Same thing with the yellowing. That came out fairly easy in my indoor setup. The repaint came out really crisp as well. The color matching is on point. The colors I used were brown, bone, and white for the upper piece. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. The products I used were the Reshoevn8r Street Brush Advanced Sneaker Laundry System, our laundry bag, our detergent to make this shoe possible. You can find all these products you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. Check out the description below for my promo code. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I promise to see you guys next Monday. I'll have a way better video for you guys. See you guys next Monday.